Okay, so I just want to make a quick video. This is the last buck that we're setting up. So I wanted to show you how we did this. So we cut them to length, whatever that rough opening is. Like this rough opening is 29 by 37. So that means your jacks are 37, and the top and the bottom pieces, the top, the bottom, and the top are plus 3 inches. So those are 32, and that's what this is. This is a top piece. So this little jig thing's set up here. Since we're going to have a 2x4 on the top, you just take that, set that there. Make sure this is flush up against that backboard, and then we put 2 of these on each side. Grab the top piece, which is basically that piece up there. We just had to do a double for that because it was longer than 8+. So we'll set this in here. Make sure that that's all centered up. Run some screws in it. We'll put a screw down here, and then move the board down here and make sure this is right. Put a screw there. So you'll see we have 1.5 inches, and this is actually sitting on the top. You can see that right there. You can see how the top is sitting on that. And then see how the boards are tied in all the way around. And then the doors, we're just using wood, which I shouldn't have done that. I should have just stuck with the bucks. But so that's how it's done. And then we've also got these. If you look right here, you've got a web right there. So we've got these. These are called wind devils. These are called wind devils. There's the block. It's the wind lock. And so the foam will be going right in here, down top here. And then you can screw your foam, you can screw this through the foam and catch, and let me show you one, and catch the side of a buck. So like right here, so each one of those, so we're going to go through here and put one, right here, and that'll screw into that piece on the inside. Hope that helps.